Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in into Telegram from your PC. Now without further ado, let's start right into the video. To log in into your Telegram, firstly you need to open your preferred browser. As I have preferred to open Google Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and search telegram.com or Telegram login. And on the result of Google, here you can see Telegram web. Click over that. And here you can log in into your Telegram by your QR code. Firstly, you need to open Telegram on your mobile phone. Then you need to go to your settings. Then after that, you need to go to your devices and link desktop device. And on the last, you need to point your phone at this screen to confirm login. And the next way to log in to your Telegram into Telegram is by your phone number. Here you will be required to enter your phone number. And this is how we log in into Telegram from our PC. I hope this tutorial helps you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.